this false narrative that Aryans came to India in 1500 BC. They say these illiterate nomads came from Central Asia and they came to India, destroyed the superior civilization that was there, Harappa that is. And then these illiterate people are running around India with caste, cow worship, and all these kind of things. And India had to wait until Magadha made contact with the Greeks in 300 BC. Suddenly we became civilized according to them. Then they say, yours is a young civilization. You haven't had enough gestation time for building up knowledge. So if you see advanced knowledge in astronomy, math, medicine, they say it probably came from the earliest civilizations like the Greeks, Babylonians, and so on and so forth. So in this model, what they say is things like this. Aryans brought Sanskrit into India. Brahmi came from Aramaic script into India from the Levant. They say Turkic Muslims brought us culture, cuisine, architecture, music, and civilization. The British got us science, technology, rational thought. Math and science came from Greece, astronomy from Babylon, and today they say even bhakti that was taught to us by Saint Thomas, and things of this nature. So we see that there is a denial of agency. We don't have agency in narrating our own history. This has led to a gross distortion where we are kicked around, basically by these ideological forces that I talked about, and they tell you who you are rather than you having the agency to control what exactly it is. So I call it a criminal distortion of the history of the Indian civilization. All the anchor points of our chronology, every aspect of Indian knowledge systems and identity is impacted. If you take any book, Western printed book on history of science and technology, India is a footnote. India is merely a footnote over there. This is the absurdity to which this narrative has gone, where the accomplishments of our ancestors are erased.